Hello students, in this video I'm going to show you how to determine whether two lines are parallel, perpendicular, or neither. The only thing that we have to know is that parallel lines have the same slope, perpendicular lines have negative reciprocal slopes. So if two lines are parallel, it's easy to tell because they have the same slope. If two lines are perpendicular, they're going to have say for example, one of them has a slope of 1/2. The other one is going to have a slope of -2/1. See, we flip it and then we change the sign. Okay, and so that will be perpendicular. And so let's take a look at how we do an example like this one right here. First thing we want to do is we want to take a look at the slopes of each line. So the slope of line A, I'll call it M sub A. For the slope of line A, this is line A right here. So we're going to subtract the y's and subtract the x's to figure out the slope. Or you can just count. We go from this point to this point here, from this point to this point. You have to go 2 units to the right and 1, 2, 3, 4 down. Because we went down 4 and 2 to the right, the slope is -2. Okay, the slope of line B, this one, could be found the same way. You could count, or you could subtract the y's. Look, -2 minus -4 divided by 1 minus -1. This will give us a +2 divided by 2, which is equal to 1. If we count, you get the same way. Look, you go up 2, so that's 2, divided by 2. Still the slope is 1. And then we're going to find the slope of line C. Oops. We're going to write the slope of line C. For the slope of line C, we're going to count. We could count 2 units down, 1 to the right. 2 units down, 1 to the right. It's -2. So notice how a slope, line A and line C have the same slope. So we could say that lines A and C are parallel because they have the same slope. Now, none of these lines are negative reciprocal, so they are not perpendicular.